Hey, I'm Don Cottom with 323 Link, and today I want to show you our OneTouch software. And so this is designed to make conference rooms extremely simple for any user to walk in and be able to join a conference on any platform using the same hardware. And so we have a lot of customers that have been asking for this. This does run on Windows. One of the unique features of this, as you can see across this panel, I've actually added a small touch screen to this that you could put out at the conference table. But the primary apps we have here, we have Zoom, we have Google Meets, we have Cisco WebEx, we have BlueJeans, and we have GoToMeeting. We also have our camera controller, and we have our reset room button. And so how this works is basically a user walks in the room. They say, okay, well, today we've got, maybe you do most of your meetings on Google Meets. We actually have a Google app that allows you to register a Windows PC as a room resource, which is unique to our product. So let's go ahead and launch Meets first. So I hit the Meets button. Now I also have a touch screen behind me, and this is just basically the display is running duplicate behind me and here. And so my meetings would show up in the list where the user could come and just hit what they wanted to start the session. All the sessions would show up here. Once they're done in Meets, we have this nice little arrow button, the back button, which can move around on the screen. It actually floats on any app. You hit that, I'm now out of Meets. And now let's say the next users come in. Well, I could go ahead and hit the reset room for the new users to come in so it clears out anything that might be on that PC. Let's say the next group needs to come in and join a GoToMeeting with one of their vendors. They simply hit GoToMeeting, put in that meeting ID. Same thing here. You're able to just go back. Let's say, for instance, you want to go ahead and join a Zoom session. So the point of this product is, instead of deciding on one particular platform, this gives you the ability to use all the platforms or the platforms that come out this year and next year using the same hardware, microphones, cameras, PC, all just together in one simple, clean user interface. And really our solutions are built to reduce trouble tickets or just get rid of them altogether in the conference space. So the last thing I'll show you here, let's go ahead and hit the back button. I do have full camera controls. So when I hit that camera control button, you're going to see that I have the ability now to move with the arrows. I can move the camera back and forth. And so to get out of that, I simply hit back. Well, if you need some additional information, please go to our website at 323link.com. You can also reach us at sales@323link.com. And thanks for checking out 323 OneTouch.